Hey guys, my name is Marcel Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So, guys, I want us to starting from now. I want us to learn more, guys. To learn more about like chemicals. How does the chemicals look like and the percentage? Because these things have their own percentage. The percentage, the color, and everything. So, like today, I want to start with sulfonic acid, guys. So the reason for me to start with sulfonic acid, there was comments there in my comment section that sulfonic acid is dangerous when we mix it with water and all those things. So I just want to clear that. I want to make that thing clear, guys. So I want us to see everything, color and everything. So every time when I have chance, I'll come with one chemical, show you the chemical and everything. So now I'll start with sulfonic acid. And please, guys, comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. So, guys, please enjoy. Guys, when I talk about sulfonic acid, I'm talking about this. Can you see? Here's the direction. You can mix it with water. So I don't know, because a subscriber told me that this thing is dangerous. You can't mix it with water. Maybe we were not talking about the same thing. I was talking about this. Guys, here's my sulfonic acid. And then here is caustic. And then here is water, caustic, and sulfonic acid. We are making SDBS. So I just want to make it clear, because I won't do anything to hurt you guys. I'm making SDBS here. That's my ingredients. So yeah, guys, I just want to clear that up. You see? So maybe it's not the same thing or what, I don't know. So thank you, guys. Guys, here's the name of the company. If you want to place your order, here's the phone number, email, everything. So if you want to order, guys, I'm using this company and I'm advertising for free, guys. So yeah, I recommend this company. So yeah, guys.